Hello and welcome to our tutorial on how to sign out of an existing YouTube account on your Android device. Whether you're looking to switch to a different account or simply want to sign out for security purposes, this process is quick and easy. Here are the steps to follow. Step 1. Tap your profile picture. To begin, open the YouTube app on your Android device and tap on your profile picture located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 2. Tap your account name in the drop-down menu that appears. Tap on your account name located at the top of the screen. Step 3. Tap Manage Accounts. Next, look for the option to Manage Accounts and tap on it. Step 4. Tap on the account you want to remove. You'll now see a list of all the accounts currently signed in on your device. Tap on the account that you want to remove from your device. Step 5. Tap Remove Account. Finally, tap on the Remove Account button to sign out of the selected account. And that's it. You've successfully signed out of an existing YouTube account on your Android device. Keep in mind that signing out of an account will also sign you out of any other Google services that you may be signed into, such as Gmail or Google Drive. It's important to note that if you're signed in to multiple accounts, you'll need to repeat this process for each account that you want to sign out of. If you ever want to sign back into the account you just signed out of, simply follow the same steps and tap Add Account instead of Remove Account to sign in with a different account. We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more great content like this. Thanks for watching.